Now we're putting in these brand new control arms. As we can see, they're nice and shiny. Now let's get to the vehicle, because the vehicle tells a different story. Now that we have gotten to the vehicle, we could see that the vehicle is struggling. We could see this castle nut is in a crisis right now of identity. So is the backing plate. We go further. Great googly moogly, we have a petrified diff. We have a petrified front diff mount. Now, we were able to get some of the eccentrics out, which is very good. We got that one out. We got this one out. And oh yeah, we got this one out. But this one here is most definitely giving the most business. We got the bolt out, but we could see the flavor and corrosion has grown so much it has filled this entire cavity, giggity, with corrosion and flavor. We get to the other side, we still have to take this guy off. Well, we're gonna see what we could do here, but wow, the corrosion, the flavor hits hard with this one. You know what? Not for nothing. Let's go a little further back. Let's see. Cross member. Yep, cross member is a little flavorful. Frame. I don't know what that is. Oh, yeah. It's raining flavor. Let's go a little further back. Oh, the shaft is all lumpy and bumpy. That can't be good. Let's see. Do they have a petrified rear differential? Oh, yeah. It's most definitely getting there. Oh, yeah. Look at this. We got flavor chips. We got a deep one right there. Oof. Wow, it's definitely seen better days. The shock is actually looking pretty good. It's probably leaking at one point. But the shock mount, well, that definitely tells a different story. So I guess the rear looks a whole lot better than the front, because when we get back to the front, my God, look at that cooler line. Oof. Oh my. Well, no, you know what? I'm not going to even touch that. I touch it, it's going to freaking start pissing down on me. And you don't want to get pissed down. No way. Alright guys, we've seen enough of this. Whoa, yo. Alright, well, we're making the car lighter now. Wow. Alright, if you don't know what to do yet, guys, please like, subscribe, hit that bell notification for further content and for further flavor.